Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Can you recognize this plant? This plant is the Thuja plant. Thuja is a coniferous plant popular for hedging as it stays dense and bushy and can create a great habitat for birds. And this Thuja plant has been in pot for the last 6 years. We must take care of a Thuja plant differently in different seasons. As we have just overcome the winter season, let us talk about the winter season first. Winter won't really bother your Thuja. It won't be growing much, but will still give some structure to our outdoor space. In this winter season, this plant will start having some flowers and this plant will look like this. Now let me tell you about the spring season. In the spring seasons, the days lengthen and the weather starts warming up. Keep an eye of your new growth on your Thuja. It's a sign of better things to come. As you can see from all the flowers, fruits have come. You can see that the flowers have dried up. So now keep on watching how my mom collects seeds from the plant and helps in growing of the plant. First work you might want to do is to shake the plant so all of its fruits fall off from the plant. As you can see, many seeds have fell to the ground, which makes the work easier for you. If you wish to, you can also grow new plants from these seeds that have fallen on the ground. Previously also we had uploaded a video on how you can grow new plants from your Thuja plant by cutting or by growing it from the seeds. So if you wish to, you can watch that video. Oh, and one thing, if you are growing it from seeds, the growth process will be very slow compared to the one that you are growing from the stem. Look, we planted this plant 3 months ago from seeds. Also, growing this plant is very easy. Second thing that my mom is going to do for the growth of the plant is that she is going to remove all the dry or damaged stems. And if you have a Thuja plant in your garden, then you must be concerned about the watering. Getting the water down to the root system of every one of these plants is essential, or they will dry out. Most of you all say that when it is summertime, the leaves are all dry. Maybe this is the reason why your leaves are dry. So you should be watering every other day for at least a few minutes on each root ball. My mom had already told you before that this plant has been in pot for the last 6 years, and as the pot is really heavy and the plant has already grown, she cannot repot it. But my mom surely changes the upper soil time to time. Now I will tell you about the fertilizer. Your Thuja plant does not require any new fertilizers. But the thing my mom gives right now is nitrogen-rich fertilizer. Here my mom gave cocoa pith mixed with some tea leaves. Also, before giving your fertilizer, make sure to dig because this helps in the better absorption of your fertilizer. Also, digging time to time helps in aeration. Also, one more thing that my mom gives weekly is rice water or vegetable peel soaked water. This low releasing organic fertilizer helps in the growth of your Thuja plant. As you know, Delhi is a semi-desert area and summer is coming. Make sure to spray some water to your plant every day if possible. And if possible, make sure to spray this water in early morning or after sunset. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.